Hello everyone. First of all, congratulations, you've reached the internship year. Trust me, this is the most interesting and fun part of your journey. It's the golden time where you learn the most, see the most, and honestly, laugh the most at yourself too. Internship is not just training, it's the period where a student slowly transforms into a budding doctor. Now, let me tell you the things you absolutely must have during your internship. First and foremost, pen. Yes, the mighty pen. You may think it's a small thing, but in internship it's the most important. And let me warn you, no matter how many you buy, they all vanish into thin air the very next day. You'll start doubting whether patients are stealing them or your colleagues have a secret black market. So, best of luck with that. Next, the apron. Your white shield of identity. Without it, you're just another person roaming in the hospital. With it, suddenly everyone assumes you know everything. Patients will ask you everything from, "Doctor, which laddu should I eat?" to, "Doctor, when will my son get married?" And along with your apron, don't forget your ID card. No apron, no ID, and boom, the security guard treats you like an outsider. In some hospitals, interns are encouraged to wear scrubs instead of aprons, especially in OTS and labor rooms. Scrubs are more comfortable, and honestly, they make you feel like you have stepped straight into a medical drama series. Comfortable shoes or Crocs. Why? Because you'll walk more in one day of internship than you probably did in the entire lockdown. Trust me, your legs will thank you. Surgical cap and mask, these are your uniform in OT. And also the best way to hide your expressions when you're completely clueless in front of your senior. Stethoscope, the doctor's crown jewel. Just don't forget it in the ward, otherwise, consider it donated. Hammer, not for fighting with fellow interns, but for reflex testing. Torch, extremely handy for ENT exams, and also to check your own eyes after a long hours shift. Measuring tape, you'll use it for abdominal girth, wound size, and sometimes to measure how much patience you have left. Thermometer, because fever will be the most common word you'll hear every single day. And of course, sanitizer, your best friend, especially when you have shaken hands with 50 people and can't find the wash basin. Now let's move to the brain savers. Notepad, write down difficult things the moment you hear them. In a busy ward, it's impossible to remember everything. A notepad will be your tiny external brain. You can note details of critical patients too. Diary 1, for the things you have learned in hospital. Treatments, dosages, techniques, all that serious stuff. Diary 2, for your experiences. Because every day in internship has a new story. Some days will make you feel like a hero, some days will make you cry, but all days will teach you something. And trust me, when you read these later, you laugh a lot. And finally, keep a ward procedures book. I strongly recommend Dr. Patel and Dr. Upadhyay's book. It's a real guide to practical skills and you'll thank yourself for having it. So, to wrap up, internship is a roller coaster. It's tiring, sometimes frustrating, but also the best year of your BAMS journey. Collect your pens, wear your apron or scrubs with pride, keep your notepad close, and most importantly, enjoy the process of becoming a doctor. All the best, and remember, internship is the only time where you can make mistakes and still say, "Sorry, I'm just an intern."